In this video I will show you how to use Make mapping tools. Let's dive into the question. There is a module that receives fields array with name, email, UTM, and these fields need to be passed into Airtable base, but Make shows here only like one field, but it is not a bug. It is the way Make represents array of fields, and I will show you how to handle this situation. In this demo scenario, I recreate using my service the same fields and the same data structure. Fields, inside the fields there are 3 data points: first name, email, UTM. So absolutely similar to this. And here I have Airtable base for testing purposes. I'm deleting this to recreate it from the scratch. So what I want, I need to pass value to the name field, and you see that each data piece has its own number, and name sits under the first collection, email sits under the second collection. So this is why I call this type of mapping numbered. So we need to add numbers, and Make knows that for name we should capture value from the first collection, and for email we should capture value from the second collection. Let's save it, let's run and check everything as expected: name, email. But now I will add another piece of data here. Let's say that we want to capture phone numbers. Let's save, let's go here, start again, and here you can see that instead of email we have phone number here. It is because our second collection has this value and our third collection has this value. And what it means, that actually the order of fields in many services is not guaranteed. It is not guaranteed by the service itself. It may rearrange fields with every operation, with every API call, and it is not guaranteed because you can add additional questions, additional fields in your questionnaire, like in this case, and instead of getting email on the second place, you will receive let's say phone numbers or home address or something else in the second place. But Make has a solution for this, and it is called named mapping. Let's check what we are receiving here. Absolutely expected structure, some fields with some order. You remember that we've added phone to the second place. And let's go here. Let me delete this and start from scratch. Instead of using numbers to instruct Make which value you want to capture, you can use a more robust way. Let's click fields and let's start with new formula. Map. It is formula for accessing particular values inside arrays. So what we need value. This value sits in the collection with name, first name. Here you can see disclaimer that this formula will return array. It basically means that if you have in the array of received fields multiple collections with name, first name, you will receive all values. And just to capture the one value from this array, we need to add this formula, get one. And let's check the formula for email. Again, I can delete everything to show you from the scratch. Click fields because we operate with fields array. Enter map and let's start again. We need value from the collection with name. Let me double check the exact name. Enter your best email address. And again, we need to add get first, just in case there will be multiple emails. Let's save it. Let's run. And here you can see that everything as expected. Let's go again to this test data. And let's say that we have another piece of data. Home address. I don't know. Texas. Let's save it. Let me double check. Yes, it is saved. Let's run again. Everything as expected. Let's shuffle. Let's say that email should come first. And nothing can break our named mapping scenario.